Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry beans. Heat a large skillet until it is very hot, add 1 tablespoon oil, then add trimmed beans in a single layer. Toss constantly for even char and cook 3 to 5 minutes until bright and tender crisp. Season near the end with soy sauce, a splash of acid, and toasted sesame oil for balance and aroma. Get your mise en place ready and keep everything within arm's reach. Trim beans and slice them into consistent 2 to 3 inch pieces, then measure sauces and aromatics. Preheat the pan until a drop of water skitters, then add oil and start cooking immediately. Quick, decisive technique prevents steaming and gives a clean sear, so toss constantly and add aromatics in the last minute for bright flavor. Timing matters for both texture and sauce integration. When beans are almost tender crisp, splash in soy sauce and rice vinegar and a pinch of sugar to round flavors. Toss quickly to coat without steaming, then remove from high heat and finish with toasted sesame oil and chopped scallions. This preserves the beans' snap and creates a glossy, flavorful coating that complements rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.